Three for the
Annoying
glare.
sounds, part 1. Number 1, someone spinning in a chair. Number 2, walking around the room.
Talking. Crying.
The rug blocking the door. The door creaking.